Hi there, today's product, Howard's leather conditioner. What we're going to do is apply it to this 1950 briefcase that I've inherited and I'm wanting to restore it. Firstly, when you receive the product, make sure it's been mixed well. From standing, the oils and the waxes separate. Once done, get yourself a clean lint cloth. Apply the wax or the cream sparingly and start working it into the leather. The reason I say sparingly is what happens, it tends to collect in the grain, and that excess wax and leather conditioner is difficult then once it's dry to get it out. Once worked through, get yourself any cloth you have. I have a microfiber cloth. And you can start buffing this. This needs to stand for at least 5 minutes. Reason, it needs time to penetrate. Okay. Once done, you can start buffing it up. And the protection you get here is from the beeswax and the carnauba wax that's in the product. As you can see, there's already a difference between the two.